Hey there, foodies! Get ready to embark on a journey into the wonderful world of boiled eggs. But not just any boiled eggs. Today, we are going beyond the basics and exploring the myriad ways you can savor the benefits of this protein packed powerhouse. So, grab a seat because you are in for an extraordinary treat, exquisite breakfast. Let's kick off the day right with a breakfast that as delicious as it is nutritious. Boiled eggs are incredibly versatile. Pair them with toast, avocado, or transform them into an egg salad masterpiece. It's a simple and satisfying way to fuel your day, providing a protein boost that will keep you energized till lunchtime. On the go snack. Now, let's talk about the perfect on the go snack. Boiled eggs are not just tasty, they are portable, easy to peel, and the ideal snack keep you energized throughout the day, whether you are heading to work, the gym, or just out and about. These little protein powerhouses make for a convenient and healthy snack option. Protein packed lunch. Lunchtime is the perfect opportunity to elevate your meal with boiled eggs. Add them to your salads or sandwiches for an extra layer of flavor and a substantial protein boost. It's a delicious way to keep you feeling satisfied and fueled for the rest of the day. Let your lunch be a celebration of health and taste. Exciting dinner ideas. Dinner is where boiled eggs truly shine with their versatility. From classic deviled eggs to more exotic options like egg curry, there are endless possibilities to explore. Transform your ordinary dinners into extraordinary feasts that are both flavorful and satisfying. Get ready for a culinary adventure that's sure to delight your taste buds. And there you have it, folks. The incredible ways you can enjoy the benefits of boiled eggs. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy eating.